How to update payment method in Netflix. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to update your payment method on Netflix. First, go to the Manage Payment Info page using your web browser. Note that payment methods cannot be managed directly within the Netflix app. If you're billed through a third party, you will need to visit their website to update your payment information. To update your existing payment method, select the Update button next to it. If you want to add a new payment method, click on plus Add Payment Method. If you add more than one payment method, the preferred payment method will be marked with a preferred badge and will be used for your monthly subscription. If you have redeemed a Netflix gift card, the gift card balance will be used first before charging the preferred payment method. Any additional payment methods will serve as backup and will only be charged if your preferred payment method is declined. Note that not all payment methods can be used as backup. To change your preferred payment method, click the three dots to the right of the Update button on the payment method you want to set as preferred and select Make Preferred. To remove additional payment methods, click the three dots next to the Update button on the payment method you wish to remove and select Remove. For more details, refer to the instructions on how to remove payment methods from your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.